Hey again guys, welcome back to the video channel. If you guys are new here, I'm Walt, more also known as Dan Wilson. And some of you who have watched some of my past videos know I've been battling some major wind noise issues with the camera here. I've explained a couple times before, I don't have a real expensive camera and it does not use an external microphone. So I just got to use the built-in mic on there, and it's been picking up a lot of wind noise. So I've been working out some solutions to kind of help clean up the wind noise. Just today I built a new device, kind of a windscreen, kind of wind filter type deal. And today surprisingly the wind is virtually calm. It's just been kind of light and variable. Most time here in the Midwest we have some really high winds, and I do a lot of outdoor video shoots, and on windy days I've been getting a lot of wind noise in the videos. So I'm working hard on a solution to that. So today, like I said, I built a little device here. Let me take the camera off the tripod here and I'll swing it around, just kind of show you guys what I came up with. Maybe give you guys some ideas that might help you out if you have some of the same problems that I've been dealing with. I've checked out quite a few other videos on YouTube and a few other places looking for some solutions to these wind noise problems. I've got some pretty good ideas. Some people suggested taping something directly over the microphone, directly on the camera. I really didn't want to do that because at least some sticky residue and stuff. Here's the deal I put together just a little while ago. It may look a little silly, but what the heck. I believe it's going to help out quite a bit. I made this out of some aluminum strips that I just had laying around the shop, and just cut them out there. I put them together with some sheet metal screws. You can probably see right there. Those were self-tapping and self-drilling sheet metal screws, so it went together pretty easily. And I just built a little basic framework like this, and then I had some wire mesh material. What this actually is just some ordinary stuff you'd put on your windows, like for window screen, to keep out insects. And I'm hoping it works out pretty well to block out the wind noise I've been picking up on my camera when I'm trying to shoot outdoor video. It's just a little cage type deal. It just goes around the back side of the camera. I put some up over the top right there because on this camera the microphone is located on the top of the camera. So I really wanted to help block the wind from getting into the microphone up on the top of the camera. So that's just what it looks like. If you're wondering about my attachment method for attaching the wind filter to the tripod, call me Redneck if you want to. I should entitle this video Redneck Video Solutions. Or maybe I should call it Redneck Audio Solutions. I'm not sure. Because I am a redneck. I'm okay with that. I'll zoom in a little tighter here. As silly as this may seem, what I use for an attachment method is just a piece of ordinary house wiring. Go around here and show you that. I'm kind of laughing at myself just a little bit, but that's okay. You can laugh with me if you want. But you know, whatever works. If it works, it works. That's all that is. Just a piece of scrap wire. This is like the ordinary, most people refer to this as Romex type wire. Again, I mentioned in a previous video, Romex is a brand name of wire. Now what brand this is, I couldn't tell you, but it's just a piece of number 12, so we call 12-2 with ground house wiring. That's all that is. So on the very top up here, I just looped it around like that on the top of the framework. Down here toward the bottom, I just used a piece of, well, you really can't see it with it's on the tripod. There we go. It's just a piece of tie wire. I just kind of wrapped it around there to hold the bottom part of the frame, so it's not flopping around if the wind really is kicking one of these days. It will be again, I'm sure. That's what that looks like. Then toward the bottom on my tripod stand, I just used an ordinary hose clamp. So I can get a little better shot of that. Let's move around the back side here a little bit. Okay, see that? That's about a 1/2 inch or 3/4, I'm not sure what size, maybe a 5/8 hose clamp. So I just slipped that around the bottom part of the tripod stand, tightened it down, of course tucked the wire in behind it, gave it a little tighten down, and there we go. Here in southeast Missouri, it's quite a surprise to have a calm wind day. Okay, now just as I was saying that, now all of a sudden the wind decided to kick up just a little bit. It's kind of fluctuating. We call it a light and variable wind day. But anyway, not a lot of wind today, so not a lot of wind noise issues to deal with. So there's a look at my new wind filter I built just a little while ago. Don't know yet how well it's going to work on a high wind day, but time will tell. So I just want to share that with you guys if you're battling a similar problem to what I've been dealing with. And maybe that can help you guys out. I don't know. So there you have a look at my new windscreen filter. I don't know yet how well it's going to work on a super high wind day. Time will tell. Let me know what you think. If you guys have some better ideas or any comments, leave them in the comments down below. Be happy to check it out, see what you guys think about it. Anyway, thanks for checking out the video. Again, I'm Walt Moore, also known as Dan Wilson. Appreciate you guys checking out this one. If you like the video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. And if you have not done so yet, you might want to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I got some more videos coming up in the future. The reason I'm doing all this windscreen and wind filter deal, I got some pretty important outdoor video shoots coming up in about the next month or so. So I'm just kind of getting things ready and getting geared up for it. Again, thanks for checking out the video. I'll check in with you guys on the next one. See you later. Take care and God bless.